So now we have studied about acid and bases. Now we'll study about some salts. See, first we learn some chemical formula of the salts. First we have is potassium sulfate. See, we learnt in the previous class, potassium K is K plus, sulfate is SO4 2 minus. So if we cross multiply, the chemical formula will become K2SO4. So we'll write here K2SO4. Next, sodium sulfate. The ion for sodium is Na plus, sulfate is SO4 2 minus. So what we'll get is Na2SO4. We'll write here. Next, calcium sulfate. Calcium is Ca plus 2, sulfate is SO4 2 minus. If we cross multiply, we'll get CaSO4. CaSO4. Then magnesium sulfate. Similarly, Mg is plus 2, SO4 is 2 minus. Cross multiply, we'll get MgSO4. Similarly, copper is plus 2, so we'll get CuSO4. Sodium chloride, Na plus 1, Cl minus 1. So we'll get NaCl. Sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Sodium carbonate. Sodium is Na plus 1, carbonate is CO3 2 minus. So we'll get Na2CO3. So Na2CO3. Similarly, ammonium chloride. Ammonium is NH4 plus 1, Cl minus 1. So NH4Cl. Now next we have is identify the acids and bases from which the above salts may be obtained. See, K2SO4. K2SO4 can be obtained from acid H2SO4 and KOH. If we write potassium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. Similarly, H2SO4 and NaOH. This H2SO4 and CaOH hold twice. H2SO4 MgOH hold twice. H2SO4 CuOH hold twice. HCl and NaOH. Bases are hydroxides and acids are ions of hydrogen. So NaNO3, well, we'll get HNO3 and NaOH. Similarly, H2CO3 and NaOH. And here also we'll get HCl and NH4OH. Next. So, salts having the same positive or negative radicals are said to belong to a family. That means NaCl and Na2SO4. See, here positive radical is same for both NaCl and Na2SO4, Na plus and Na plus. So, it belongs to the family of sodium salts. Similarly, NaCl and KCl. Here, Cl minus negative radical is same for both the salts. So, it is a family of chloride salts. Next, salts of a strong acid and a strong base are neutral. Means जब कोई strong acid combines with a strong base, so neutral salt is formed. Neutral means pH will be equal to 7. Salts of a strong acid and a weak base are acidic. The concentration of H plus ions will be more, so therefore the salt obtained will be acidic in nature. And acidic, we know pH will be less than 7. Similarly, if salts of a strong base and a weak acid are formed, so it will be basic in nature, because concentration of OH minus will be more as compared to H plus ions, so pH will be greater than 7. So now chemicals from common salt. What is common salt? Common salt is NaCl, and how can we obtain NaCl? By the reaction of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. So HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. So seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is separated from the salts. बहुत सारे salts, different type of salts होते हैं, but sodium chloride is obtained by the process of these salts. तो बहुत सारे process होते हैं उनमें chlorination वगैरह, जिससे हमारा sodium chloride obtained होता है. Deposits of solid salt are found in large crystals, often brown due to impurities. This is called rock salt. तो जब सॉल्ट डिपॉजिट हो जाता है लार्ज क्रिस्टल्स की फॉर्म में, तो उसको बोलते हैं रॉक सॉल्ट. Beds of rock salt were formed when seas of bygone ages dried up. Rock salt is mined like coal. तो उसको नीचे से निकाला जाता है. A raw material for chemicals. Common salt is used as a raw material for chemicals. तो जो बहुत सारे raw materials हमारे यूज़ होते हैं like बेकिंग सोडा, वॉशिंग सोडा, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, तो उसमें बेसिक एलिमेंट कॉमन सॉल्ट होता है. थैंक यू.